Sorry.
We would like to take a moment to recognize that we are on the ancestral and unceded homelands of the Halkomelem and Squamish-speaking peoples, and to extend appreciation for the opportunity to hold an event on this territory.
As we worship the Lord, as we come over here together, I would like to ask you to tell to everyone, to your left or back, the people that you have, tell them, thank you for coming, I'm blessed. The temple treasury. Many rich people threw in a large amount, but a poor widow came and put in 2 very small copper coins, worth only a few cents. Calling his disciple to him, Jesus said, truly, I tell you, this poor widow has put more into the treasury than all others. They all gave out of their wealth, but she, out of her poverty, put everything, all she had to live on. Today, brothers and sisters, Jesus talking to us, no? Jesus very thankful to us, no?
Rules. All participants must adhere to these rules. Participants are encouraged to walk at a comfortable pace, running or jogging in times. Take breaks only if necessary. Please move out of the way if you need to stop unexpectedly.
On behalf of Burnaby City Council, we're just very T. Lee on the unceded and traditional territories of the Halkomelem and Squamish-speaking peoples.
The mayor.
So anyway, we're just very glad to be here to welcome you here and support all your great efforts. And you know, once again, on behalf of Burnaby City Council, have a wonderful day and enjoy this great parade that I'm seeing.